Well, good morning. Yesterday we spent the day retrussing this roof and resheeting it so that we could get rid of this little flat spot here. That just pooled water right there at the joint because the house isn't level anymore. The main trusses originally built go from here clean across the roof and then have the sloped piece going up this way. So we relined it with 2x6s, retrussed it, got it all resheeted yesterday. It was a long hot day. It's early this morning. So now I've got a resheeted roof. My help has gone to get, a customer has gone to get some more OSB so we can finish filling this gap. And then we can retruss everything. I'm going to get this side done. Just while he's gone, I'm going to put the eave cap on, sweep it all off. Lay on the underlayment except for this small piece here and start laying steel. I'll show you guys some of that as we go along. It was kind of an adventure. Most of it was actually built fairly well originally, so here we go.